Safety alert! Safety alert!
A silver alert has been issued for Maricopa County Sheriff's Office. This is the Arizona Department of Public Safety. Charles Cohen, 78 years old, 5 foot 09 inches, 185 pounds, gray hair, brown eyes, last known clothing description unknown. Left his home in the area of East Cave Creek RD and North Schoolhouse Road. Charles was going to the gym and is believed to be driving a vehicle. May be driving a black 2020 Range Rover, bearing AZ license plate BAA53J. Charles is believed to have left for the Tonto National Forest/Bartlett Lake area. If you see Charles, please contact Maricopa County Sheriff's Office. If you have contact with the silver alert, please call 911. Monitor TV and radio for updates.